Boing! So now we're recording. Hi everybody, welcome to Cruise with my father, and we're just giving like an update about what's going to happen on our next upcoming trip. So we're going on the Marella Discovery. We have been on Marella Discovery before. We went to the Caribbean. Woo! We're not going Caribbean this time. We had a suite. Woo! We haven't got a suite this time. Budget is running low, seriously low on the channel. So I think next year it's probably just canoeing. Manchester Ship Canal. Are you still going to subscribe? Hopefully. So, anyway. So, if you've joined us, you click the link, it's because I've mentioned the Marella Discovery, and it's a fly cruise. So, what does a fly cruise mean? It means you fly, and then you cruise. And I'm going to show you how it's all done. Because sometimes you can get put off, you don't really know what to expect, so you're a bit nervous. So, if you have a fly cruise, like I said, the ship's going over to the Caribbean now, so you're probably watching this, and you maybe have the Caribbean booked till next year. Around Europe or wherever you're going. I will show you what happens on a fly cruise. They're a bit different than what was shown from Southampton. Nothing complicated. It's always like best to have like a heads up though, isn't it, sometimes? So you like not like stood around like, I don't know what to do. Because you will know what to do because you're going to click like and subscribe and follow us on our wonderful Marella Discovery adventure. So, what else am I going to do this week? So, if you're new to the channel, you're not seeing the vlog, I kind of talk rubbish all day long. But I do try and put some funny stuff inside it. And also try and put lots of knowledge about the ship, etc. So, this time, it's a six night trip. So, you can expect, I'm going to show you a lot about the first day. I'm going to show you a lot about the last day, and I'm going to show you about the ports and where you can get free Wi-Fi, etc, etc. And my screen is probably pulsing for some reason, but I don't know why. So anyway, I better be quick and run out of time. So I'll teach you about the ship. We're going to show you the food, what there is to do on board, and just a general run round. Then we'll show you the ports, if you can get Wi-Fi where you are, and what you can do locally for free of charge, of course. So if you're interested in learning about the Marella Discovery, if you're interested in learning about fly cruising with Marella, if you're interested in learning about the food on the Discovery, if you're interested in learning about the ports of somewhere near Athens, I can't remember what it's called, the port of Valletta, Malta, and that's it. We've only got 2 ports. But we will make it fun and interesting. So if you're interested in any of those things, or you just like a good old laugh and a bit of fun, cruise related, you come to the right place. So click like and subscribe. And for all my fellow cruisers, I'm looking forward to seeing you all on board. And everyone that's been subbed to the channel for so long, I'm really grateful because I know it's not the best content, but it's honest. That's all I've got, my honesty. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all. Bye!